Okay, I'm closing the names of the participants. Again, I'll share the screen. Yeah, so the screen is visible right now, I guess. Okay. So we were,
Ma'am,
yes.
ma'am, I am Vishal.
Hi. Okay. Do you want to say something?
Ma'am, I am Vishal.
Okay, let's continue with the next part. This is called windy days. So here in this case, we shall know how strong the wind could blow sometimes. And the sun's heat also causes winds. Yes, this is the first point, and this is the first sentence, and it's very important. You must know this. The sun's heat also causes winds. These fast moving winds are responsible for windy days. Like in a like a fast moving wind may just, it could be so fast that sometimes you will see that everything around you, it starts flying in the air. Maybe, maybe the clothes and all that are being a part of, like, that you have just hung them outside in order to dry. You want your clothes to get dried easily, so you hung them outside on a line, and then all of a sudden a fast wind blows, and everything else, like all the clothes, they start flying and fluttering in the wind. And sometimes when the wind blows softly, it is called breeze. So a very important question you may get from here, that I may ask you, distinguish, or you have to just provide one difference between windy days and breeze. Then you will say, ma'am, during windy days, winds generally move fast. And on, like you can say, in normal days, what happens? The winds blow softly, and this kind of wind is called breeze. Like on windy days, again, I'm telling you, on windy days, the wind blows hard, and in normal days, when the wind blows softly, we call that wind a breeze. When the winds are followed by thunder and lightning, yes, thunder and lightning is something that I was talking about right now. And it is called a storm. When the wind is followed by or accompanied by thunder and lightning, it is called a storm. A storm brings rain and cause lot of damage. Yes, I guess you have seen, sometimes storm uproot trees, sometimes storm uproot, say, sometimes storms uproot trees, sometimes storms blow away houses. Like I'm talking about the temporary houses, also known as kacha house. I guess you know what is a kacha house, what is a pakka house. Do you know?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So such storms.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Yes.
Ma'am, ma'am. In the SST book, it is right way when the ear move gently. It is called breeze, ma'am.
Yes, the wind that blows softly is called breeze, and the wind that
No, ma'am. Ma'am,
its
ma'am,
meaning
but
is
in
the
the
same.
SST,
The meaning is the same. The meaning is the same. Okay. So a storm brings rain and cause lot of damage. Yes.
ma'am,
Say.
ma'am, I have so much fever. I can I leave and can you give me the attendance?
My dear, only 5 minutes, maybe 7 minutes left, 7 to 8 minutes for the class to end. Can you stay till 7 minutes? Is that okay for you?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. So storm brings
Ma'am.
rain and
Excuse
cause
me,
a lot
ma'am.
of damage. Yes.
No, ma'am, go to toilet.
No, just wait for 7 minutes. You need to complete all these things before the class. Before the class begins, you need to take care of all these things and, you know, do away with all these things, not during the class. So, okay.
Ma'am.
Strong storms can uproot trees and damage buildings. See, it's given. Strong storms can uproot trees and damage buildings. So storms are the forces of nature. We are also part of nature. That means the human being, but we can't brave these storms. That's impossible. Any question regarding sunny days and windy days?
No question.
Mhm.
Ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Cloudy day.
Ma'am, storm can also damage streets.
Yes, it is given. Strong storms can uproot trees. Cloudy days. You see clouds in the sky. On some days, you see many dark clouds in the sky, but not sun. The clouds hide the sun and its rays and bring rain with thunder and lightning. These days are considered as cloudy days. Like you see so many dark clouds floating across the sky, and the sun is like hiding behind those clouds. And at that point of time, the sun rays, you see it's like slowly disappears and it starts raining. Why? Because the clouds bring rain with them and thunder and lightning. These days are considered as cloudy days, like when you see a lot of clouds in the sky, but not the sun. Such days are called cloudy days. Yes. Any question?
Ma'am, I have seen lightning.
Oh my God, you have seen lightning directly? You have stared straight at the lightning?
Yes, ma'am.
Please don't do this.
Ma'am.
Don't stare
Ma'am.
straight at the lightning.
What means thunder?
Yes, lightning and thunder.
Ma'am, I saw also. Thunder.
Yes, thunder and lightning. Thunder is the, you know, that sound that comes after the lightning.
Ma'am, I
Yes,
saw
that's very
thunder
deep
and
sound.
lightning.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I also.
thunder is the sound that you hear that comes after the lightning that you see. Across the sky, you will see, like throughout the sky, you may see this lightning. And after that, just after that, you hear a very deep and sudden noise all of a sudden, like a boom sound. And that's the thunder. Sometimes I think the thunder sounds like a chocolate bomb that they use, you know, when that they just light a chocolate bomb during some festivals and all. They like to play with that and it sounds the same as thunder. I'm not sure, but maybe to some extent. Okay, the last one for today is the last part for today's class is rainy days. On some days, the sky becomes dark and it rains, followed by winds, thunder, and lightning. So sky becomes dark, and what else comes after? Winds, thunder, and lightning. These days are considered as rainy days. The weather is cool on rainy days. Yes, the weather is cool on rainy days. That means it's not that hot and scorching as it used to be, as it is during sunny days. Yes. See, this is the basic difference, that in sunny days, the sun shines so brightly that it is very hot. But on rainy days, what happens? The weather is cool and it's really, we start feeling comfortable. We really enjoy some of us don't like rainy days. We say it gets flooded outside. So I don't want to go outside. Everywhere it's water. There are a lot of puddles and it's really annoying. Yes. So now you want to say something, anyone? Hello?
Ma'am,
Yes. Say.
ma'am,
Hmm.
ma'am, you can remove the black color.
What? Where is that black color? What are you talking about?
Ma'am, the books are per
Okay, okay.
black and white.
This one? Yeah, I removed it. So here we have a true fact in the box. Here they are saying a person who predicts weather is called a meteorologist. He is called, or he or she is called a meteorologist. I may ask you. Okay. So we shall continue with seasons in the next class. All right. Wait a second. Don't leave. I'll have to take your attendance. Stay in the class. Yes, I see some of you have raised your hands. Do you want to say something? Hello? Okay. So I'm unmuting you all. Say one by one. Don't scream. Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, ma'am, you will teach the summer season, winter season, monsoon, and spring, autumn to tomorrow.
Yes, let's see. Let's see. Tomorrow we can do it. Yes.
Ma'am, tomorrow
Hmm.
is holiday, na?
I have no idea, my dear. I have no idea.
Tomorrow is Mahalaya, na?
Yes, maybe. But if you have any question related to science, you may ask me. If you have any question related to this, I would say these two pages, like page 64 and 65. So your task would be to solve that, this one, the get ready part. You see there's a picture. You have to match those picture with the correct.
Already to write this.
Okay, you have already done. That's great.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you may lower your hands now once. Can you please lower your hands?
Ma'am, can you see?
Yes, just a second. Okay, so your task would be to read these 2 pages at home and read like you'll have to read these 2 pages actively. Don't do any sort of passive reading. Read actively, and then if you have any question, you can ask me next day, that is tomorrow. All right?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, then I'm ending the meeting here since you have no question. Thank you so much.
Okay, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye.